Hi everybody, Henry here with M1 Automotive Window Tint, and today we're doing something special. We're removing some film, vinyl film off of this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. And so we actually wrapped this one previous to it coming in, and the customer decided he didn't like the color, so he's gonna go a different shade. So what we did is we removed everything off. As you can see, we removed the door handle, removed the outside trim window. Now, this is something that's kind of tricky. Search the web, search YouTube. There's no videos on this one whatsoever. So I thought I'd make it easy for you guys. Shoot a little video on this. So now we got these off, and this is the same process, the front windows as the back windows. All right. So what you do here is you remove this torque. I think it's a T15. And then you have to remove, unfortunately, you have to remove the whole door panel for this. So there are two T30s right here. There's a Phillips right here. And then there's another Phillips right there. So once you get that popped off, you remove three T30s that are right here for the mirror. You take that off. You disconnect the connection where it's at right here. You slide it through the little hole that's there. And then you gently, very gently, remove this. Kind of put your fingers in here like this and lift up. And now you want to twist. You want to twist this way. So kind of like lift up and twist like that. Comes right out. And I'm going to go over here to the driver's side door where we already got it removed. So there you go. You see it's removed. Now, when we do wrap things the right way. We get it up to the top. Make sure, since it is a white car, we didn't want to see any white paint on there. So this is what I'm talking about. You go ahead and remove that screw. You remove the door panel. There's all these tabs that go around, and these tabs up here for the window trim, for the gasket. Then those three T30s are right here. You remove those, you pop out the window, and then again you just move that. Here it is right here. So it just goes in by pressure, like that. Just like that. And this is what I'm talking about. See, it's just a gasket that's pressurized in there. But you got to be really careful because these are super expensive. I think they're like about $200 a pop, each one. So they're pretty pricey. You want to be careful with that. And just patience, and you'll get that off. And you do the same thing with the back door, and I'll show you. It has one hiding right here. You peel that back, you remove that T15. Has another one over here on this side. And for this one, you don't have to remove the whole door panel. It's just those two, and it pops right out. Unfortunately for this one, again, you did have to remove the mirror to pop it out because the mirror sits on top of it. So hopefully this helps. I know it was a learning process for us. Didn't find any videos on YouTube or anything on the web. So you guys have a great day. If this video helps, please give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment sections, questions, concerns. Appreciate it, man. Have a good one.